Come test drive the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.